Hey, Forex for beginners. My name is Felix, and I'm a student of Sadali Forex for Beginners Academy. And I'm just doing this quick review to let you all know that this is a great opportunity that you guys don't want to miss. For those of you that are not taking it serious or not doing, or not studying according to how you have to, you have to, because there's a whole lot, the moment you think you're getting tired, that's when it's just getting started, because there's a lot of interesting thing you need to learn about this Forex trading thing. I just started less than 3 weeks. I've already learned so much that I could even, that I could not even, that I'm not even sure if I'm going to know it on a paid studies or something, because he takes his time to break it down for every one of us. So no matter how slow you are in learning and stuff, you can always get what he's saying, and I've been able to learn trend lines and channels, support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, break of structures, so there's a whole lot to learn from there. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Make sure you join this group. And thank you, Sadali. You're the greatest. This is really good, to be honest. And upon all, this is free. This is free. You get all this knowledge for free. You're the boss. Yeah, Mr. Sadali, thank you so much. And I appreciate you. And thank you. And God bless you. Thank you.